So this is Tundra, our part wolf, part... Sorry, I'm brain dead for a minute. Part wolf
She's husky
and part husky. And there is her owner, my wife, Alicia. Tundra, we got her and she was obviously abused because she was really sketchy. And it's been a long road, but... Oh, she's pooping. And it's been a long road, but we got her happy and she listens to us. And this is the dog park in Reedsport. Let me zoom out for you. Dog park in Reedsport. We've been having trouble with her listening off the leash, but she's doing a lot better. And that's Charlie. That's Charlie Cheeks himself right there. He has his own YouTube channel. He's got some Pringles. Do you say hi, Charlie, to your viewers? Huh?
Hi.
Hi. And you want to say hi? Yeah, I put up with that every day. She doesn't want anything to do with the videos. Just kidding. Okay. Tundra, run!
Tundra, let's go.
Go, Tundra, go, 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 go!
She's gonna get me.
She'll get going so fast she'll wipe out. When she
Okay,
rides
Charlie, stand over here.
when she rides in the car, we have a seatbelt on her, but she still sits and she does like horrible stuff, and then I'll hit the brakes and she'll like slam into the seat, and no matter what I do to tell her to be careful, and I try to secure her, but she always finds a way to get to where she falls down. Tundra! And she has separation anxiety. We can't leave her alone or she will howl and yip 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 because she was taken away from her sister. She's less than a year old. She's about 8 months old. But that's our dog Tundra.
Tundra. Tundra.
She is definitely silly. Tundra, hi.
Tundra.